Today we will talk about crowdfunding or a small business loan. I will tell you what is best for your company. Business finance is the life of any business. The world of business finance has evolved to a great extent. What we are referring to is the funding options that are available today for businesses. Gone were those days when we relied on secured and unsecured loans. In this video, I will cover details on crowdfunding and small business loans and how they can help your company. Insight on crowdfunding. Crowdfunding refers to raising money from numerous people online. As the term itself says, large group of people pull together to raise the investment required for a company. It is similar to raising fund for a cause. Here are some insights to crowdfunding. First one is crowdfunding process. There are various crowdfunding platforms and so are their requirements. Hence, it is crucial to ensure you have read and understood the final fine print of the terms and conditions before you launch a campaign. Crowdfunding platform. The crowdfunding process takes place online. The campaign strategy must be appealing enough to the crowd on online media to receive a better response. The business proposal or product you are launching should be promising enough for people to come forward and invest. Types of crowdfunding. There are two types of crowdfunding. They are premium based and investment crowdfunding. Premium based crowdfunding is seeking funds from people in exchange for some gifts, acknowledgement, premium service, or early service or product offering. Investment crowdfunding is a process of seeking funds from people in exchange for some percentage of a share of quality equity in the business. It is up to you to establish what type of crowdfunding campaign you want to opt for. Good social contacts help you widen your campaign share and raise funds as required. Crowdfunding charges. There will be one time percentage based fees. It depends from platform to platform. The more time you spend on your campaign, the more are the chances of reaching your goal through crowdfunding. Now, a brief insight on small business loan. Small business loans are something that we have been hearing about for ages now. It is one of the most reliable and convenient options for small businesses that are looking out to kickstart a project. The loan providers have become competent in what they are offering to borrowers today. For instance, competitive interest rates, the quick process, prepayment options, reliable charges, convenient mode of payment etc. What are the requirements for small business loans? When you have a plan in place, availing of a loan becomes easy. Below are some requirements to avail of a loan: having good credit rate, ability and intention to repay, history of sound financial records, the minimum age of the borrower must be 22, business must be in operation for at least 1 year, valid KYC documents are required for their render, bank statement of the recent 6 months, and IT returns.